If you want to quit your job, but obviously you need to replace that income, you're going to need to learn a high value skill. Like this video and follow me for more content about how to make money and also how to manage that money. So I will list out some high value skills that you could go and learn, but first you need to think about, what do you want to do? What do you like to do? What are you good at doing? You don't want to go and invest your time and your money into learning a high value skill if you are going to hate that skill, because it's going to be kind of a waste. And trust me, I've done this before several times. I've learned high value skills and then got into it and realized I don't really like it. So anyway, that's your first step, is thinking about, what skills do you already have? What do you like doing? What would you be willing to learn? So this list I'm going to make is going to be things that you can do from home. It's just going to require you to put some time into it and maybe a little bit of money. The very first one is websites and SEO. I personally have done this before. I spent a few $1,000s learning how to do this, but the return was really big. I started making $3,500 plus a month doing this within a couple of months. When you learn how to create websites and do search engine optimization for people, this means you can charge a one-time fee to create their website, and then you can charge a monthly fee to manage their search engine optimization. This does take a while to learn. There are a lot of moving parts, but once you learn it, you can charge a premium for it. One of my clients was paying me $1,800 a month to manage his SEO. Another high value skill is copywriting. If you like to write and you find that that brings you some type of joy, go and learn how to effectively write copy for websites that's going to convert to sales, or write sales emails for people. There are people who charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars to write email sequences for businesses who are trying to sell products. Another one is Google and Facebook ads. If you learn how to effectively run ads for people, you can charge a lot of money to manage people's ad campaigns and to get them results, new customers, new sales. All of these things that I'm listing, you can go and learn yourself on YouTube, but it's going to be more effective if you go and you invest into a course or something like that that's going to show you step by step how to do things and get certain results. You do not want to get clients and then you cannot live up to their expectations, or you cannot get them results, because then you're not going to do very well. You can learn how to become a virtual assistant to entrepreneurs or companies doing different tasks that they need you to do, whether that's building sales pages, writing emails, whatever the case may be. People hire virtual assistants all the time. You can start a virtual assistant company, and eventually you can hire virtual assistants to be your virtual assistants, and then you offload tasks to them, and you can build a whole company doing that. Another good one is graphic design. So if you're really good at like making logos, making graphics for websites, maybe you're really good at making PDF files or slideshows, whatever the case may be, you can go list yourself on Fiverr.com or a bunch of other websites where you can basically be a freelancer and you can create graphic designs for people. You get to set your own prices. My favorite side hustle is digital products, meaning you have a knowledge or a skill set or a framework that you can teach people step by step to get them a specific result. Be careful with this one, because you have to be passionate, you have to be experienced, you have to have gotten results for yourself and others before you can charge other people for your knowledge. So for example, I teach people how to budget. So I sell digital products, meaning budget worksheets, toolkits, etc., that get them to a desired result. I can only do this because I have gone through the journey myself. I have built a framework that has not only helped me, but hundreds of other people get the results that they want. So be careful with this, but you can make good money doing this. Think about, what skills do you already have? What transformation have you gone through in your life? Maybe you went through a weight loss journey, or you're good at training dogs, or whatever the case may be. Think about that. What do people ask you for help for? What do people ask you for your knowledge for? What could you talk about for hours on end? You may be able to teach other people how to do that. And if that's the case, you can sell ebooks, courses, worksheets, whatever your heart desires. If you want to know how to do digital products, how to make money doing that, let me know. I can teach you how to do that. I just never talk about it on this channel because I focus on budgeting and saving money. But if you want to learn, let me know in the comments and I can teach you. I hope this helps. I hope you got some value from this, and just think about, what skills do you have? What do you like to do? You can pretty much learn literally anything you want to know on the internet. I would recommend investing into your education, but if you don't have the money to do that, then go on YouTube. YouTube University will teach you anything you need to know pretty much. So you just have to be dedicated, committed to your knowledge, committed to your learning, and you have to be driven to make it happen. Anybody can make it happen. You got this.